My name is Dwine Murat. I'm coming from Haiti and living in Lantana. And then first time I hear about Paradise Exterior, I was at my cousin's house, and then that's the time they come for set up his door and window. And then when I came, it was like so pretty, and I was so crazy excited about it. Then I asked my cousin more information. He did give me the number. Soon I make that phone call. It was like a couple seconds. They called me back, and then they sent an adjuster home, and then we discussed about everything. It was like in a couple weeks, and then my house was set up and everything was done, and then it was so pretty. They work so fast. Actually, the changing that I see from new windows and doors is like my house, like it's brighter, and then keep it fresh and cool inside. And then also it saved me money from like when there's hurricane season. I don't have to go buy the shutters and go crazy, and and also it saved me money from FPL because the doors and windows keep the house at the right temperature. Thanks God I have the best crew, and then they work so good, so fast, and then they work as a team, and also they clean up, and then they do everything they have to do on one day. And after that they take all the trash, like all the broken door and window, they even take them with them, so I don't have to put it on outside and waiting for the city, and then just to dirty in front of my house, and then waiting for the city to get them. And then it was perfect. I love it. I think Paradise Exteriors is the best company, and then that's the best experience I've really been doing, because it was real great, and then I really enjoy it, and I'm very happy with my new doors and